Hey guys, Jay Van Dizzle back once again, and from Mr. Horgan, this is the pricing game recap for Friday, June 1st, 2012. The games to end the end the week and start the month of June were the following: Pushover, Shopping Spree, Pathfinder, Squeeze Play, More or Less, and Pick a Pair. Now, Jennifer played Pushover for a trip to Tahiti that included a 6-night stay in an overwater suite at latead hotel and a canoe scent breakfast every morning. Now, Drew didn't push the price to start in the window. He pushed the blocks just a little bit to get her started. And she pushed to make the price $16,149. The beginning price was going to be over $40,000. It was $747. Sorry about that. Well, when Drew revealed the price, it turned out to be $14,974. She pushed a little too much. Wish she would have won that trip, though. All right, Billy was next, and he played Shopping Spree for a chance to win a Heritage BMS 150 motor scooter with an automatic transmission, electric start, and front disc brakes, a pool table by Golden West Billiards, a steam shower from mybathusa.com, and a collection of Marc Jacobs accessories. Now, the target number he had to spend was $7,500 or more. Okay, let's see how we did. He started first by picking the scooter, valued at $1,586, which means he had to spend $5,914 or more to win. Second pick was the shower, valued at $37.99. Great pick because he only had $21.15 left to go. His final pick had to be $21.15 or more for him to win. What did he choose? The accessories or the table? The accessories. Wasn't feeling too good about this. I thought the pool table was going to be much higher. It was actually going to be my first pick. Well, was I wrong or was I right? The value of the accessories was $794. He was off by $13.51. The pool table was $2,400. He should have gone for the pool table. He would have had a win. 2 games so far, not a good ending. Let's see if Lawrence can change it around, because he played Pathfinder for a Dodge Caliber SXT modeled by Amber. Now, I do apologize for not mentioning all the models during these games. I'm only going to mention one because this is the only one I knew. The small prizes were modeled by Rachel, and the first number was a 2. The small prizes were the following: a non-stick mini cupcake maker, an aluminum whipped cream dispenser, and a thermal craft. He thought the second number in the price of the car was the 1. It wasn't the 1, so we went back to the 2. And chose $23 over $40 for the thermal craft. Everybody knows that they've seen that craft about 30,000 times when the price is right, and knows the price is $40. So obviously he wasn't right. Then he chose looks to be the cupcake maker. He did. He chose $30 for the price of that, and you know what? He was right. So he chose another number. He chose the 4. He was wrong again. So he had to get the price of the dispenser right to continue to play. He thought it was $26 and not $38, if I believe correctly. And it was $26, so he got to choose one final time. It was either the 0 or the 2. He chose the 2. And it turns out his pick was... It wasn't right. That's the game. It's game over. The price of the car was $20,139. Alright. Mark played Squeeze Play for an outdoor kitchen island by Somerset, and 9 was the first number. Funny thing is, Mark actually won a hammock. Go figure on that one. He chose to take out the 4 and not the second 9 or the 7, because the 9 was the first number and the 5 was the last. He made the price $9,495. $975. I kind of almost gave away the answer there. Well, he should have taken out the 7, because the price of the kitchen island was $9,495. I wish he would have won. I really did. Okay, let's see if we can get a winner here of something big. I'm hoping. Joyce was next. I almost said Janice. I don't know. I was thinking of classic TPIR. I don't know. But Joyce played more or less for the following items: a bass guitar by Spector, a retro dinette booth, and a retro fridge by Amira Stoveworks. Oh, and don't forget the big prize, the Scion XP. Now, she thought the price of the guitar was less than $1,900. She was right. She thought the dinette was more than $29. I had a feeling that she should have went with less. It didn't look more than $29, but again, I don't know. It could have been $3,100. I don't know. Well, it turns out my idea was the right one. She should have gone with less. It was $1,795. 5 games with no big win. I can't believe it. Let's get one. Oh, by the way, Joyce gets a consolation win for that bass guitar. Alright, let's see if we can go ahead and have Marianne win the trip to Utah she played for, valued at $5,021 in the game Pick a Pair. The items played, the products used were the following: Allegra Allergy Tablets, Act Anti-Cavity Mouthwash, Rust Guard Cleaner, Capsaicin Pain Relief, Betty Crocker Potato Buds, and High Test Gas Additive. You add it to your gas to make the gas last in your car, I guess. I don't know. She chose the mouthwash, valued at $4.39. Then she chose the additive. I wasn't feeling good about this one, and I was right. It was $6.82. So she decided to keep the mouthwash and then play with the potato buds, hoping they were $4.39 as well. Well, when Drew asked the price, we revealed it was $4.39. She actually got it, and we got our only win of the day on the show. I can't believe only one game won. But hey, she got the mouthwash, she got the potato buds, she got the trip to Utah. That's all that matters. So Marianne is the only person that's going to get contestant. Well, actually, Mary gets contestant recognition for the win in Pick a Pair. Joyce gets it for the consolation win in more or less. And pretty much that's it. And by the way, the showcases for 6/1/2012, double overbid. A double overbid. It's crazy. But it's the 9th time that marks a double overbid in the history of the 40th season of The Price is Right. Okay, I'm at a special place, which is why this video took a little longer. But it's Wizard World Philly, which is my sponsor for this episode of the recap. Wizard World Comic-Con, where all your dreams can, well, be relived again, depending on what you select. Comics, wrestling figurines, and more. Right here at Wizard World. I will hopefully be here next year. Alright guys, I want to thank again Mr. Horgan for letting me do the recap. I'm shocked to find out the turn of events was only one game out of the 6-1. But hey, a win's a win. You can take it however you can, guys. Until next time, J Van Diesel reminding you guys out there to please help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. See you next time, guys. I got a wrestling show to go catch.